In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase download speed in Chrome. We're going to make a few simple adjustments inside Chrome that can help downloads run more efficiently. None of these changes are complicated, and you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar, type Chrome/flags, and press enter. This will open Chrome's experimental features page. On this page, use the search bar and type parallel downloading. When that option appears, click the drop-down menu next to it and change it to enabled. This feature allows Chrome to split some downloads into smaller parts, which can improve download performance in certain cases. After enabling it, click the relaunch button at the bottom of the page. Chrome will restart, so if you have other tabs open, it's a good idea to make sure anything important is saved first. Once Chrome opens again, the next adjustment is your DNS provider. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security, and then select Security. Scroll down until you find the Advanced area or the Use Secure DNS section, depending on your version of Chrome. Turn that setting on, then choose a custom DNS provider from the dropdown, such as Cloudflare or Google Public DNS. Changing your DNS won't directly increase your internet plan speed, but it can help Chrome connect to download servers more quickly and reliably, which may improve the overall experience. Next, stay in Settings and go to System. Here, find the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, and turn it off. This can help reduce unnecessary resource usage in the background, leaving more system performance available for active browsing and downloads. After that, remove unnecessary extensions. Extensions can be useful, but too many of them may slow Chrome down or interfere with performance. If you have add-ons you no longer use, it's a good idea to disable or remove them so Chrome can run more smoothly. Finally, clear your browser cache. Cached files help websites load faster over time, but a buildup of old temporary data can sometimes affect browser performance. Clearing the cache can give Chrome a cleaner start and help it behave more efficiently. After making these changes, try downloading a file again and compare the speed. Results can vary depending on your internet connection and the server you're downloading from, but these Chrome settings can definitely help optimize performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.